Hey guys, I thought I'd do an unboxing for you as I recently got something, so here it is. It's a blue bag. Let's open it. You guys guess what it is. You're right. I got a fucking kit. I'm so excited, so let's open it together. In the box you get a guide to vlogging, you get 32GB USB thing, get a Gorilla Pod to put your camera on it. And you get your camera. So let's first open up this. I'm so excited, you guys. So this is what it looks like. So you put your stand on there. I haven't got scissors, or have I? No, I haven't. This ain't gonna be fun. I've got to try and open it. Two seconds. Get my trusty pink scissors. I don't have an unboxing knife, and I don't need an unboxing knife. I have scissors. Come on. Yeah. So, two seconds. So there's that. And then you get this. You should put into the camera. 32GB. It's quite a lot. I would have thought it'd be 16 for the price, but hey ho. 13GB is quite a bit. Get this. And now for the camera itself. Now where I bought it from, you can get cash back, so yeah, I get £40 cash back. So let's unbox this thing. Great if I knew how. Oh. Simple. Ready? Get some instructions. Excuse my bird. Some manuals. Holy crap, it's a big manual. Little plastic box. Charger. Charger to charge your battery. A battery. And the camera. So first, I'll open up the battery. That's what it looks like. We'll see if it's got some juice in it first. If not, then I'll have to charge it.
I don't know that one.
Did I say? I don't think I did. I think she's on a word of her own. unplug, untangle all this. I can't wait, so I'm going to cut this little black thing. I'm impatient and I can't. I've been waiting for ages for this, so yeah, I'm not waiting anymore. Oh, this is the long cable you get. How do I plug it in? It doesn't matter what side it goes in. So, plug it in. Stick the battery. Not very big. If it come with 2 batteries, that'd be great. Flipping hell, that is nice. See, that is the camera. I've upped my vlogging game, guys. So, card and battery, so we open. Oh, okay. So that goes in there like that, I think. Like that, and then that goes in like that. Okay. How do we turn it on? Okay. Powering on. So the date. Set date and time. So it's oh, okay, so the date is the 12th of the 12th, 2018. So we'll set the time, date. No. Hard to do this when you've got long nails. And it's 15. $29. This is awesome, guys. I'd have thought it had like a screen protector over there. Okay, so I'd say we're London. Okay. Wow. So when you hold it up, this is flipping awesome. This is flipping awesome, guys. Obviously, set it down. And obviously twist it to standard mode. Almost. So there's no operation or focus sound. So if we turn it to the okay. How do we oh, that's a picture. How do we film? Ah, okay. Can obviously film in. I will put this in there. Hey guys, this is my new camera. I am going to include this in the unboxing. Here's my setup. Hey. And there you are. Slide it down. I will include that in the unboxing. And then we play. Anyway guys, I'm going to go and put this on charge and I'll probably use it in my vlog, so keep an eye out. Bye, hope you enjoyed this video. I will put this in there. Hey guys, this is my new camera. I am going to include this in the unboxing. Here's my setup. Hey! And there you